इंदु
इंदु इंदु
इंदु
हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल सुप्रभात। मैं अभी हूँ चाइना चोंगचिंग में गाइस। चाइना का सबसे फेमस सिटी, सोशल मीडिया पे तो ये वायरल ही वायरल है। आप लोगों को पता होगा चोंगचिंग को 8D सिटी भी बोला जाता है। तो ये जनाब मेरे को देख रहे हैं, अच्छा लगे, बढ़िया हो ओके। You speak English? No English. No. Oh, okay.
Chinese 中文
中文 okay.
Chinese
Me no 中文。
你是哪个国家的？
印度。
印度
哦
印度菲饼，奥代表了香蕉，
Yeah, cold.
菲饼，
Feeling
印度那个菲饼，
印度。
印度
哦，印度飞饼，我专门那个。
菲饼，
这样，
好。
他那个一说那个都登起了。
Okay. So guys, in Chongqing, and as I told you in previous video, the locals in Sichuan, they are more energetic, they talk a lot. So this is what was happening back there. Everyone was talking to me in Chinese, of course I don't understand. And this is the building where I'm staying, guys. It has 53 floors and it's not a special building, nothing, it's just a building. And there are so many hotels, apartments in these houses. You can see it goes up there, 50 floors. So in Chongqing, most of the apartments and buildings can have 30 to 50 floors. It's normal, and the highest is maybe 90 or 110 something. I went there last year, 1 year ago. So after 1 year, we are back in Chongqing again. Let's go today to all the famous places, to the pedestrian street, and see how our day goes. And at night, I'm flying to Egypt. So anyways guys, welcome to this video. The 8D city in front of me, this is the very famous bridge you see far away. It has subway station below, and on the top it's like road for the cars. So crazy city. Welcome to the crazy city of China. So guys, this is the bus and let's go. I think I have to pay the money. I was going from that side. So it's my first time I'm taking the bus in Chongqing. It's usually 2 yuan. Yeah, you see it's 2. Where should I put this? This one you can see is a new one, that's an old one. So the old one, they have like a jail kind of thing outside their balcony to protect older people not to fall down, because during one child policy it was very dangerous. You know, imagine such big apartments in the mountains and you fall down. So they made those barricades. All these are made of like mountain city, so big buildings, so cool. So guys, once again after 1 year, I'm right outside the building. You can see right behind me where the subway station passes, like on the top floors, and the train goes from inside the building. We are back here after 1 year. And this whole building is like for tourism. It's like supermarkets, malls and stores where people are selling stuff. So this is the building, guys, the legendary building, and right across the main road, and we are waiting for train to come by and cross. So very soon the train will cross across and enter the building. And this building itself is a metro station. Like you can take a train right inside the building. So let's wait. So many people are here to take photos, you can see, but not too crowded today. Actually, I think yesterday it was very crowded because the Sunday crowd. Today is Monday, so it's little less. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This is the train coming right there. Do you see? It has entered the building, guys. Whoa. And that's like the station.
跟住錢冇加啲啱。
So guys, we already saw the train passing the 6th floor of the building. Insane. And anyways, let's head back to the pedestrian street now. It's raining actually, it's drizzling already. And I saw train 3 times, it's enough. We have to cross that side and let's head back. This is Chongqing, China. Really 8D city, or the first wonder of the world city, I would say. Let's go. Whoa, these looks like gang boys, man. Gang boys of China usually. Hey, I'm stuck in the middle of the road. I crossed on the wrong time. Guys, I'm literally stuck in the middle of the road. I hope police won't say anything. So guys, inside this famous subway station in China, the whole building is like shopping malls for shopping area. You can see they are selling all kind of stuff, especially mostly related to Sichuan culture and panda shops. Right, there are panda shops. So last year I shopped, of course, in one of these shops, but this time my luggage is already huge. But I have to buy some toys for Mayasa son. So I don't think I can find here something like that. So not really. It's all to attract tourists. But let me give one look around. Guys, all this is like the hello. Guys, all this is like the spices that are used in Sichuan cuisine. It's like chili, but they have pork, some oil, natural meat oils inside, everything. This is not vegetarian. And Chinese friends told me that, I'm not making it up myself. The friend who lives in Chongqing said that these things, they are not vegetarian, but the component mainly is like the chili, like the spice, the flavors for the hot pot. What should I buy for Mayasa's son? This is mostly pandas. Oh, they have these cute cars. Let's check the price. Guys, in previous station my Alipay was not working. So right now I'm literally asking in China to make me exit because I have traveled in the metro, in the subway without ticket. So I don't know how it will be, but let me ask. Ni hao. No ticket. He is pissed off already.
怎么进来的呀？
你
and he helped me to let go. But he was little pissed. This guy, the other guys in the previous station, they helped me out. But this one, he was little pissed off. Of course, I've traveled in China in a subway without ticket. You know why he let me go? Because that station was so busy and suddenly my Alipay was not working and I was no cash in my hands. I gave him Visa card. He was like, just go without ticket. That's it. So like guys, we have came 3 escalator for the subway. This is how deep underground this subway station is. And there are many more than this, 5 or 6 in Chongqing. So nice. Welcome to the city center, right there. Times Squares of Chongqing, you can say that. Just like New York, it's like the main area downtown, and all the big buildings you can see right here. This is not New York, this is not Tokyo, this is not Seoul, Korea, this is China, Chongqing. Nice, pretty amazing. See how people are enjoying sitting around, and it's so clean. The best part is also that it's quite clean. Amazing. It's almost only 3:46, but it's getting dark. The sky is little bit gray already, and Chongqing is one of my favorite cities in China. To understand the city, of course, you have to be a local, otherwise it's very difficult. But I think I'm near to the toy shop somewhere here. See, people are selling food. There are so many branded stores, guys. So many branded stores here. America have banned Google, YouTube and all the things, but America have not banned big stores in China. They make money out of China by selling things. They are doing business. But America surely have banned Google and all those things. A toy shop, and apparently most of the toys here are like 6 plus, 8 plus, 15 plus. So I'm not able to understand which one should I buy, you know. Like most of them, see, 8 plus, I think that's the age. So of course we will buy one of the cars, it's fine, but at least something else. I cannot just give only one car. So it's most of them I was buying. See, I just suddenly read the age like 15 plus. ये दुकान थी जहाँ से हमने कुछ चीज़ें ली हैं. Actually there are 5 or 6 toys, but I don't know how I will pack them. My bag have no space for this. So but anyways, I found some good cars, and she told me the one that is like for 8-year or 6-year-old, like parents can join them together and the child can play. So I got one of that also. It's all good, sorted. But if we find something else outside, we will do that again. But outside it's already dark. It's dark, guys. Outside you see it's already dark. So if we will be able to go to that shower floor or not, where there is uneven building. But I have made the video there last year. So it's very near to me, it's not too far. But बारिश हो रही है तो हम लोग नहीं जा पाएंगे. बट चोंगचिंग देखिए कुछ ऐसा दिखता है बारिश में. इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग हैं, और मैं इन बिल्डिंग्स में ही एक सुपर शॉपिंग मॉल के अंदर हूँ, और पीछे खिलौनों की दुकान है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग पास्ट 1 आवर, एंड इतना भूख लग रहा है मुझे, मैं अभी नीचे गिर जाऊँगी. आई विल फेंट. सो आई एम सो हंग्री, बट इट्स रेनिंग. So guys, this is how Chongqing looks at evening after the rain. I'm just being careful that I don't slip. And first thing first, guys, we are going to have dinner. So after that, if we feel comfortable, we will go to that building of uneven level, or maybe even next time we come back to this city, because I like the food, I like the vibe of the city, so I'll come back again surely. But yeah, that's it. I'm feeling so cold now. It's very cold. So guys, you see this clock tower in between. This is like resemblance and resistance, like a tower for, as I said, the Japanese war period. So this is very historical for Chinese people. If you will read this history, like millions of Chinese were killed by Japan and many women were raped, babies were killed, and they were like taken as illegal workers, slaves, back to Japan and other Asian countries to work, you know, for free. It was a very bad history, very sad. So it's regarding to that, in the middle of the pedestrian street. So now on this side there is a vegetarian restaurant, so I'm going to eat, otherwise I will fall down right here on the street in the rain. I'm so hungry since morning, no food. So let's go and eat at least a little. And yeah, that about it. Why is it raining today, guys, when I have to travel? My whole of my clothes are wet now. Hey, Chongqing in the rain. I didn't expected it, but here we are. As you can say, this is my last Chinese food today. See, this is like plate full of food. I was so hungry. I cannot tell you. And it's like mix of everything here, Sichuan also and many other food. Oh, my hands are shivering. I'm that hungry. Oh, I cannot hold. Why is it so sticky? This is slipping out. First bite of the day. My hands are shivering. Jesus. Let's eat. And you know, people are just playing games, standing here. You can do that. Like this small kid you see right there, he's just playing. And all these are like new models, so different brand, different companies. And nice, we saw in the village in Zangye, it's like same thing here. Okay, this is just the laptop, of course, the price range. And that one is like detachable pad, so you can take this off, take that one off. So cool. And the price is like 4699 for 256 GB, and it keeps increasing. But the cameras of pads are not too good. Oh, what's it says? Okay, so this is the camera, guys. See the quality. Let us. Okay, so it can focus also like this. Whoa, this one is good. That day I saw the camera, it was not too good, but this one, whoa, let me try more. Nice. Can it go more? Zoom out? No, it cannot. This is quite convenient. It can come out and it can be separated. So foldable, adjustable, detachable. Foldable, adjustable, detachable. Good. मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है यार इसमें अभी फ़िलहाल. इसमें गूगल सफारी कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. ये पूरा ना चाइना में काम करने के लिए बनाया हुआ है. इसका जो स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करा हुआ है, इसमें जो जो चीज़ें चलती हैं वो चाइना के लिए, स्टैंडर्ड के लिए हैं. मेरे को बोलते कि जो बाहर का एडोबी है ये भी नहीं चलता. आई डिडंट नो दैट. सो बट एनीवेज, so I don't know what to open in this. Oh, everything is in Chinese. Really? Is this Play Store? Jesus, guys. Okay, this one I don't understand shit. Let's leave. Oh, I don't know. And this time, this famous tourist spot is completely empty at night. You can see right here. There are very less people and no vloggers around. Nobody want to film this place at night. So, welcome to Kuishing building. The only vlogger Garima right now at this famous place, which is full of visitors in the daytime. And guys, we just came from that road, right? I know you have seen it many times and even in my last year video. But for my new followers, guys, we are like not on the ground level. That is the ground level right there. So we are just standing above the so many floors. But that road is also working like a ground road. Right there, I'm going to take my taxi from that road. And I can also take my taxi right behind me. So, this is a tourist spot, guys. Can you imagine this being a tourist spot? It is. So, welcome to Chongqing. So guys, I've booked the taxi and you will see driver is going to pick me up from this up level of the ground floor. 10th or 12th level, I don't know how many levels are this. So I should read online. But let's be honest, I don't know. So this is where the driver is going to pick me up. So we are waiting for the taxi. And let's wait. What if I go to that ground floor right beneath me? Will he able to find me? I don't think so. So, wow, quite interesting. Guys, I think to understand the roads in Chongqing, it will take a lot of effort, and there is like so many highways intersecting each other. That is also a very famous place that I could not have time to go by. Like so many roads, you will be confused like how it's working. So I think it's more complex than Dubai, to be honest. Okay, even driver have to take zigzags. Whenever I see these maps, it makes me go crazy. We are so near, but we have to go zigzag to reach. I think this is our car, guys. Let's go. This is it. So guys, you see he's picking me up from the same place. Right behind me, there are 10 more floors beneath the ground. Ni hao. Oh. 6-1. 6-1. Give me. Oh. So if you book taxi from AMAP, you have to put last 2 digits of your number. Guys, my last few hours in China. This is crazy. I miss China so much. It was so comfortable. I think the most comfortable developed nation. You cannot compare with anything. I'll miss it surely. This is Chongqing in rain. I'm saying goodbye to Chongqing. Whoa. Superhero kind of things, and then this car you have already seen. This is one more car, this is one more mini car, and then some toy panda, and this is like blocks. So now we have to fit them, but I have took out my jacket. Now I don't know where my jacket will go. Guys, these are my bags. Can you imagine? This is crazy. I have to go back India to put this stuff at my house. So many random stuff, like 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. Why do I have 4 bags? To do what? Because mostly I also bought winter clothes. That's the biggest problem about winter traveling. It makes your bag heavy. So I don't know, guys. I have to leave many stuff right at my home, and right now I'm just outside my hotel area and trying to figure out how to pack. So guys, my bags are packed, and only God knows why I have so many bags right now. I will end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting, and whoever have donated for Measa, thank you so much. Today we are flying to Egypt, so quite nice. I will reach tomorrow morning to Egypt. We have layover in Qatar, of course, and all good. Last day in China. We will come back again to China for sure. Amazing country, lot of places still to explore, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Today was a busy day. I'm sorry if I didn't show you guys around enough, but I tried. So let's meet you guys in another vlogs, and I think I will put the Egypt series before, so China series maybe after Egypt. So let's see how everything will go by. Thank you so much.